Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video and tomorrow's video will be an unboxing video, and then hopefully soon we'll have some more straps to look at so we can pair them and play with different bags. But today, let's get into this box and see what we can see. The bottom has those perforations, so I'm just going to rip into the bottom as opposed to opening it with my ceramic knife. That was a little harder than I anticipated. This came from the UK. It is from a company called the Hut.com. I am going to link in my description box the information, but I will say that this is fully factory wrapped. It was a color that was only available abroad, I think. And I wanted it really bad. I mean, really, really bad, because I have this beauty. And you guys may recognize this Tyler 28 in the aqua color that I unboxed not too long ago. I have moved into her for the day, and I'm wearing this pink shirt for a reason that you will see very soon. But just let me show you this. This is super cool. At least I think so. I had some rivets, and I wanted to do a scattered rivets tag with a T-rose in the middle. It may be a little crazy. I kind of got excited and kept riveting the thing. And in the past, I've always just had like 3 rivets and a flower. And instead, I have 7 rivets and a flower. But, you know, I think it kind of adds a little bit of pizzazz to the bag. The other thing I wanted to show you, and you guys, hopefully this will help you out. So if you look at the back of the bag, you can see it's pretty darn smooth. And this bag tends to have a little bit thinner leather on the sides. So you have to watch out that your items do not bulge the bag out. I found this organizer on Amazon, and I can't remember the name of the company, but I will link it. It was actually for a Toiletry 26, a Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. And if you look here, it has 2 pockets right there, a zippered pocket, 2 pockets right here, and I have these little felt inserts that I got from SUNY Bag & Bag a while ago. I stick my cards in those, and then I stick them in the pockets, and they're good to go. My dogs are barking. And then here in the middle, I just have my keys, and I've got a little pouch with some medicine, and then my AirPods case. So it's a very slim profile, and it's very flat. And the felt itself is pretty thick. I would say it's moderate thickness. And so I can just slip this, and I like to slip it with the zipper side facing in because that's where any bulges would be coming from. I can slip it right there in the Tyler. There's probably an inch of room on one side. I mean, you can sort of center it if you want to, but there's maybe an 1.5 inches of space here at the end that would be considered wasted unless you had like a tall item that you could slip in there. But it's allowing the bag to be smooth. And then I put that side of the bag up against my body and then have just a few items here in the center, like a flat coin purse, a Tide-to-Go stick, a feminine product, and I believe that may be it. Oh, a hair tie and some floss. So that stuff's safe in there. And then I have this pouch, which was from Samorga a while back, and it's flat, and it's also somewhat waterproof because it's made out of plastic, and I have all of my things in there that could leak. And I just slip that right into this side, and it doesn't bulge it out because it's not deeper than the compartment there. So that's how I'm packing this bag. It's kind of complicated, but I would highly recommend these organizers because it keeps your bag from bulging out. I did try to put one on this side too, and for the other items that I have, like the hand sanitizer, this and that, it just didn't really work to try to stick them into the organizer pockets. I ended up with lumps and bumps. And so I do like just using a pouch on this side and then using the organizer to organize all of basically my cards and papers and little things like tweezers and nail clippers and flosser sticks and stuff. There is a really nice zippered compartment inside of the organizer as well, which is not typical with organizers. So you got 2 zippered compartments to keep your stuff safe. So that's the Tyler 28 in Aqua. That was not what this video is all about. It's certainly a piece of it, but the big part is this unboxing. I unboxed it, now I shall unbag it. Let's see what we can see. So like I said earlier, this item is from a website called the Hut, and I linked it in my community page, and I also linked it on the description box. This bag is in the color Aqua with the black copper hardware, and I opened up the watermelon camera bag yesterday and I love it. And I saw that this one was available, and it does come with the 2 straps. It's 2nd generation. And I figured if I don't love these camera bags, I can keep the strap, the wide strap that I want to use with my Tyler, and then I can sell the bag. But I love these bags. They're so soft and smooshy. This one I paid $200 roughly, and then about $14 in tax. But since then, currently it is an extra 15% off, so it's $171 plus tax. So if anybody wants it, get on there and order it. It does come from the UK, but it only takes maybe a week to get here. It's not that long. I feel like Coach should make all of their straps that are the canvas webbing straps more complimentary than they do. But this strap here, this is gorgeous. And now you understand why I'm wearing pink, because look at this. There's just a hint of pink in there. I gave you the full tour of the bag yesterday whenever I was with my niece doing the video. So today I'm just going to, oh, and by the way, it comes with a dust bag. I'm going to just let you know, yes, it comes with the grommeted strap. And this bag is a keeper. I mean, it is just fabulous. I'm going to give you a full spin here in just a second, but I'm taking out the packaging and I want to unwrap the strap. Check it out. These grommeted straps are really nice and they give the bag a totally different look. I would never get rid of this strap because I feel like it really allows you to create a more dressy look. But see, the grommets are just beautiful. And the other thing that's kind of interesting with these camera bags is they do have the longer, more slender clips. Both the watermelon one yesterday and this one have that. Most of my Coach clips are stubbier, and this tends to be a clip shape that you see more at the outlet. But you do not see the finishes of the one that I opened yesterday, the watermelon with the brass hardware, or this black copper finish. You don't see those at the outlet, at least not my experience. So I have her all unwrapped, almost. I thought I had her all unwrapped. So the price tag is right here. This is the item, but again, I think you can only find this item abroad, and I will link it in the box. They still had them and they were still on sale, and they're also linked on my community page. The inside's a beautiful blue material, just like the outside. It's the same layout as the watermelon one. It's got a generous front pocket that you could fit a card case in, as well as a back pocket that your phone case will fit in, or your phone. Super smooth zipper, you know, got the little hang tag. Let's extend this out and try this bag on. Normally I wear my bag on the other hip, but I thought today I would just wear it like it was clipped when it came, because that's just easier. This color is unbelievable, and I'm having a hard time getting it to show what it looks like on camera. But let me I'm gonna grab another bag. It's a lot bluer than it comes off on camera when it doesn't have something up against it. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Can you see that? It's a lot bluer than it is on the camera. The camera makes it look gray. It's not gray. It's a beautiful shade of aqua, and this kind of gives you a better look. It's the same color as the strap. This is my Pillow Madison and Light Coral making a little appearance here. Okay, so you've seen the bag with its beautiful straps I don't know if you want to see me try it on with the grommeted strap, but I'll go ahead and do that because some of you may not like these canvas straps. And I'm telling you that if you want to sell the canvas strap and then just keep the bag with the grommeted strap, you should be able to sell that strap no problem for probably $75 to $100 because people really want these canvas type straps. But it does look really cute with a narrower strap. It's definitely a more elevated look with the narrower strap than with the canvas strap. The canvas strap is definitely more sporty, but I really love the canvas strap for now. When that trend is dead though, I'm gonna have this one, and I love that option too. So back to the Tyler. She's a special guest today, and we are going to show you why I bought that camera bag. And I'm telling you, I had no clue how much I would like the camera bags. I was really just getting them for the straps. I mean, the prices were really good. The one I got from Amazon, the watermelon one, was $134.99. That's amazing. This one is, of course, a really great deal now. It was $214 after tax, so it was a decent deal, but I had to have this strap. Weiwei, my sales associate at the Plaza Frontenac in St. Louis, she had the Willow saddle bag, and it has the same strap, but the camera bag was never available here in the States. So I just love that look. And one thing I've been doing with my straps as I've been wearing the bag is I flip this part in or out depending on how I want it to lay. But I do like to have the back one up when I'm carrying the bag because it's just more comfortable not to have that right there rubbing up against you. And so right now, this is how I would wear this bag. And I absolutely love it. I mean, I think it is stunning, and I'm ready to spray the strap so she can go out with me on an adventure today with her beautiful hang tag, all customized, her nice little strap that we stole from the camera bag, and my pink shirt. You see? The other thing I have found, and I'm just giving you totally random information, is, but when you're not using the bag, say you've got the bag stuffed and it's sitting on your counter, and see, I have a little personalization on this back tag. When you do a riveted tag like this, you have lots of backs of the rivets. And so what I do is I put a decorative tag on the back, and then if it flips over, you still have some eye candy to look at. I may eventually get a navy blue one instead of black, but since the hardware is pretty black, I thought that looked decent. I already had it. But I do like to keep the handles upright and sort of folded like this. I feel like it takes that weight off of these points on the bag and will keep it looking nicer longer. The Tyler's leather is sort of thin. It's very nice and very soft, and I love it. But it's a little thin, so this area up here could get wavy pretty easily. So doing that takes the pressure off the bag. When I am using the canvas strap, which is a little heavier, I like to have it come off the end of the bag when it's sitting on a table. And these may seem like, oh, what a pain in the butt this bag is, but it really isn't. You just kind of do it automatically, and you do it because you love the bag. But I do tend to have these off the side because if you have it hanging off the front, you see what happens to the leather there. You don't want that. That is the beautiful Aqua Coach Camera Bag and the beautiful Tyler 28 with her new jewelry that I did. And if you guys want to know what tools I use to do that, I can provide the link for those. It's somewhat dangerous because once you start poking holes in things, it's hard to stop. I will warn you that. But I've got these two beautiful bags in the color Aqua now. I love them both. They go with a ton of stuff in my wardrobe. I know I haven't done the whole wardrobe, what does this go with, but trust me. I mean, look at how it looks with pink. It looks great with other colors too. It looks good with darker denim. It looks amazing with grays. I mean, this is meant to go with gray clothes. I'm telling you, gray and pink are probably going to be my favorite combos. So I'm Erin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any future exciting videos such as this. Find me on Instagram and follow me there. You can just search the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, and I'll pop up. You can also DM me on Instagram to keep in touch, or email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. I look forward to either hearing from you or seeing you again real soon. Take care. Bye.